Hello, this is Robin. So this is another series in my series of videos about travelling in Indonesia, and this one is going to be about clothes and things that you need to pack. And what you need to have a safe, comfortable holiday. So number one, all I can really say is less is best. So, take as least many clothes as you can, because basically it's really hot. The weather is quite humid and it can get really, really hot during the day. So I suggest with clothes, cotton shirts, cotton pants, dresses, skirts, whatever. For myself, because I'm a bigger woman, I like to wear skirts, but I find leggings are really good underneath the skirts, just makes them more comfortable. Singlet tops are fine. Cotton shirts, but just, have sort of like 3 or 4 sets of clothes and have them on your bed before you come, and just have them so they all mix and match with their colours and their textures and stuff. So, you've got black pants with a white shirt or whatever. Less is best. So, for me, I usually bring a scarf. This is a sarong. It's just a really, really light cotton fabric. Because if you're out walking in the streets, you'll notice that most local people cover up, because they're quite private and they're a little bit prudish to our standards. So in Bali and in Java and the Muslim areas of Indonesia, it's a lot worse. So for me right now, for me to go to Java, which is a Muslim area, I would be not good to go outside because I've got too much of my body showing. Because, they like to, they want women to cover up, and that's seen as respectful and private. And you don't want to make a big sort of shebang about yourself. You don't want to draw attention to yourself, So cover up. So I always have a scarf like this, which I carry. So, if I'm in Bali, I'll just wear it around my neck, just to sort of, mop up sweat or whatever. And if I was to go out in Java, it would be like this, to cover my arms, because I don't want to draw attention to myself. Or, maybe you could have some really nice cotton long sleeve shirts that sort of breathe. Less is best. But it's really good. I find it good, if I'm just got like singlet tops or whatever, I can just wrap the scarf around myself. However, and see, that's nice, that looks cool when you're sort of out and about, so you're not sort of drawing attention to yourself, especially in Java, because I've seen people walk around in bikini tops and shorts, and all the locals just go, and they're all gossiping, and it's just not good, and it's not respectful to their culture at all, because they're Muslim and they're very private, and they like to cover up, and that's in respect to the Muslim religion. The other thing that's important is shoes. You'll see most people wearing thongs. I don't know, I'm a middle-aged woman. I'm a little bit, unsteady on my feet, because everywhere you walk in Indonesia, you have to look where you're walking, especially around Bali, because the footpaths are like that. There's lots of holes in the road. There's lots of steps. It can be really, really slippery, especially after it's rained. So you have to be really strong in your feet. I tell all my guests when they first get off the plane to always be in your feet and to spread your toes. So, to fall down over here, especially for me, because I'm an older woman, to fall down could be really messy. I could break things, gash things, whatever. Big expense, big drama. So to support that, being strong in your feet, you need good footwear. And, I always prefer sandals, rubber sandals with good arch supports and good grip. Or, you can get some orthotic thongs that have got good arch support and grip, because, the weather's hot, it's humid. Quite often people's feet swell up, they spread. So you need to be comfortable in your feet, and that you need to have good support. Or worst case scenario, just wear really good sand shoes. people who are younger can wear thongs, but you just really need to be on your feet and to sort of look around. Look around. What's everybody else wearing, And the people who don't dress appropriately, they stand out and draw attention to themselves, and you want to travel with good karma and good vibes and all that stuff, and not being respectful to the culture is really not a very good look. The other thing is, if you're someone who wears hats, it's quite hot, so, just to keep the sun off your face. Sarongs and stuff can double as a bit of a scarf if you're into that. So yeah, I just think less is best, and maybe just bring a very few things and come over here and check out the markets, and you can get some really great lightweight clothes that are great for the weather really cheaply. So that's what you can do. Alright, so thanks for listening, and I hope you found some of that information useful. Okay, bye!